Good morning, student. Today we will learn MCQs on the topic probability. Question number 1. Out of 50 tickets, number 0, 1, 2 till 49, one ticket is drawn randomly. The probability of the ticket having the product of digit 7, given that sum of the digit is 8. Student, see the solution. Here n is number of total outcomes, number of total outcomes equal to 50. Then the A is set of numbers for which sum of digit is 8. Sum of digit equal to 8. That is 0, 8, 1, 7, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4. Then B is the product of digits. Product of digits is 7. It is only one number, which is 17. Now here and A intersection B. First A intersection B. A intersection B is only 17. Then and A intersection B equal to 1. Now, this is the conditional probability. Question is of conditional probability, that given that sum of the digit is 8. So we will have to find probability B oblique A. It is P A intersection B upon P A. It is 1 upon 50. It is 5 upon 50 is cancelled. It is 1 upon 5. So here C option is correct. Now question number 2. If PA union B is 0.83, PA is 0.3, PB is 0.6, then the event will be what? Let us find solution 2. PA intersection B. It is PA plus PB minus PA union B. Here PA is 0.3, PB 0.6, minus PA intersection is 0.83. It is 0.9 minus 0.83. It is 0.07. Now, PA into PB, which is 0.3 into 0.6, is 0.18. Now is not equal to PA intersection B. since PA into PB is not equal to PA intersection B, therefore it is dependent event. It is dependent. Then events, and A option is correct here. Now question 3, if PA is 0.5, PB 0.4 and PA intersection B is this, then find P A complement over B complement is. So see the solution. P A complement upon B complement is P A complement intersection B complement upon P B complement. It is P A union B whole complement upon P B complement. It is by De Morgan law. Since A complement intersection B complement equal to A union B whole complement, it is De Morgan law. Therefore, it is 1 minus P A union B upon 1 minus PB. It is the law of complement. P, that is P A complement equal to 1 minus PA. So according to this, it is this. Now, putting the value 1 minus, there is a formula PA plus PB minus PA intersection B upon 1 minus PB. Therefore, it is 1 minus PA 0.5, PB 0.4 minus A intersection B is 0.3. Divided by 1 minus PB. PB is 0.4. It is 1 minus 0.9 minus 0.3 is 0.6. It is 0.6 upon 1 minus 0.4. It is 0.4 upon 0.6. It is 2 by 3. So C option is correct here. Question number 3, C option.